Hi, I'm Sean Donahue from Home Video Library Electronics, and I'm here today to show you the inputs involved in home theater system setup. On the left side of the receiver here are digital inputs. The two types are digital coaxial, which are always orange, and typically you'll plug into here from your satellite receiver, cable box, or a Blu-ray DVD player, or even a regular DVD player. This is probably the most common digital input that gives you Dolby Digital surround sound. These little doors down here, these plastic doors that press in, are fiber optic inputs. These are also on satellite receivers, cable box receivers, Blu-ray players, and DVD players. These same jacks are also, in some cases, located on game consoles. Over here on a receiver, we see the typical red and white cables we've seen forever. These are audio cables, they're analog. That's what you plug things like CD players into, VCRs, and above them are the yellow video cables that are also analog cables. So these are the older type. This top row of plugins are called HDMI. This is the newest plugin, and typically on a receiver you notice that the video is separated from the audio. This is the newest and fastest plugin, and it's so popular because it carries video and audio. This is typically only seen on high definition products or Blu-ray products like satellite, cable, or even a DVD player. Let's see, over here we have component video, which you'll see on some older satellite or cable boxes and DVD players. This was the first way that they hooked up HD video, and it's also called color stream. It's also synonymous with color stream. Over here on your receiver, you see the jacks that you can hook up your antennas. The one that has the little sleeves on it or rings is for FM reception, and the one with the two above it is for AM reception. Also very important down here, you'll typically find where it says subwoofer, and it's the one cable that hooks up from here to your powered subwoofer. Over here on the right side of the receiver are called binding posts. They're in red and black, and this is how you hook up your speakers, and they're labeled with the speaker's position in your room, whether it's left, right, center, right rear, or left rear. You could either unscrew these and put the raw wire in the side and screw them back down, or you can get an accessory called a banana plug and put it on the end of your speaker wire and plug straight into them. I'm Sean Donahue, and those are the inputs for home theater system setups.